Hi there! For those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Chloe Jackson. I have a PhD in molecular biology. I am a health and nutritionist coach, and I also am an embryologist in assisted reproductive technology. Today, I'd like to discuss the 5 major mistakes when on a ketogenic diet. Number 1, your diet is unbalanced. If you are trying to stay at 20 grams of net carbs a day, you are eating plenty of fat. You have taken away cereal, most of the fruit, starchy vegetables, legumes. So you've cut the carbs. Good. But what about the minerals, the vitamins, the antioxidants? Catastrophe. Now, if you want to improve your diet, you should be eating every single day plenty of green vegetables, nuts, seeds, herbs, spices, berries, a little piece of dark chocolate. That will ensure that you are compensating the loss of certain minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. So be careful about that point. Number 2, you have lost weight very fast. If you have lost 10 kilos or more in a month, that is a no-go. Why is that? In your fat, you have accumulated all your life toxins, and when you lose fat, you release those toxins in your bloodstream. The problem is that your liver and your intestines have to cope with these fats, and they are overwhelmed. If they accumulate in your bloodstream, that will create oxidative stress and inflammation, and the result is cell aging, mutagenic activity on your DNA, cancer. So be very careful about that. So don't lose weight too fast. 1 kilo a week is fine, not more. And second, detoxify. Now, how do we detoxify? One possibility is to eat plenty of cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, arugula. Those will help to activate your detoxification. So think about that. Number 3, you're eating the wrong fats. Keto is all about fat. That you've understood. Congrats, very good. But which fats are you eating? Avoid the omega-6 vegetable oils. No sunflower oil, no corn oil. Be careful in general about vegetable oils. You're eating coconut oil, that's fine. You're eating ghee, that's fine too. Some butter, perfect. A bit of MCT oil, good. But are you thinking about the polyunsaturated omega-3 fats, which are fundamental? Now, where do we find those? Linseeds, fatty fish, omega-3 eggs, fantastic. Another good source of omega-3 is also to eat rapeseed oil. Rapeseed oil was studied at the Scientific Institute of Intelligent Nutrition, and the advantage of rapeseed oil is that it does have a little bit of omega-6, it does have omega-3, it also has omega-9 and plenty of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant. So you should have 2 tablespoons of rapeseed oil per day. Don't forget the olive oil too, fundamental. So you'll be getting good fats from food: avocado, nuts, seed, fish, eggs, and then add on rapeseed oil, olive oil, and you should be fine. Mistake number 4. Weight loss for you is what you eat. Think beyond that. Weight loss is not only what you eat. And you want to be healthy. That is your ultimate goal. So, sleep. Are you sleeping enough at the right hours? And do you have quality sleep? 2, are you stressed? Stress is a killer. If you are stressed, reduce your workload. Go for a walk, meditate, practice yoga. Those are some key tips to reducing your stress. Apart from that, are you doing some exercise? You must increase your muscle mass to lose fat and stabilize your weight. And last but not least, what about digestion? Your gut, fundamental for your health. So think beyond food. Losing weight is not a short-term process. You must lose weight and get healthy. So think of the big picture. Number 5, you are doing keto all on your own. Not a good idea. Keto can be tricky. Is your diet balanced and healthy? Are you supplementing? Are you doing it right? You must seek help. But be careful about your source. People on the internet seem to know everything about the keto diet. Are they qualified? So find a ketogenic coach, go to a nutritionist to see if your diet is balanced and healthy, if you need some supplements, if you have some deficiencies. And what about some books? There are fantastic books out there that are well written and are good sources. So don't forget, don't do keto on your own. Seek the help you need to do it properly. So I hope you enjoyed my video today. Thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye for now.